Metazoa continues to innovate on top of the metadata API. Let me show you our impact analysis report. Now, this report lets you select any of the 250 metadata types over here at left. And when you select a type, you can select any individual asset over here at right. Let's just select the account object. Now you can view all of the dependencies that the account object has. You can see it's connected to 17 custom fields, a flexi page, 2 global value sets, 3 groups, profiles, roles, and standard value sets. You can also see the things that refer to the account object. For example, there's 15 different flows and a group of 7 flexi pages. You can select any of these assets and trace the path back to the account. If you double-click an asset, you will see the actual relationships to the account. There's 2 of them in this case. Here and here are the 2 places that this flexi page refers to the account. But check this out. Now you can get documentation on what a flexi page is or a custom object is. And if you run your cursor down, you'll see called out the documentation for every single one of the elements in the flexi page. We do this for all 250 metadata types. So Snapshot has become kind of a dictionary of metadata that explains everything. Here's another example. Our org dictionary documents all 250 metadata types with an easy-to-read report. You can simply select any type over here and the fields you want in or out of the report over here. Let's take a look at sharing rules. Check this out. Now when I mouse over all of the different sharing rule fields, each and every one of them is documented with a nice little tooltip that tells you exactly what it does. And so all you have to do is select the things that you're interested in and move them into the right-hand table and adjust where they are. This creates an entire report on your sharing rules. So just like that, you can see each rule. You can color code special values for your auditors. You can have a link here that launches Salesforce with the sharing rule. And of course, you can export all of this information in a variety of different reporting formats. One last example. Let's say that you're just looking at one of your snapshots. Now you can select any asset and see the XML over here at right. But if you select any element, for example, the link type, you can right-click and choose to edit the selected value. And because Snapshot knows everything about the metadata API, it guides you as to which values are acceptable for that enumeration. Let's change it. We see the deploy button appear down here at the bottom. We can click that and go straight into Smart Deploy and make that change in the org. Here's the account we just changed. And here's the metadata. And as you can see, once again, we have smart information that documents the entire metadata API. In order to make that change, all we have to do is click the deploy button over here at right. All right, that's a quick tour in some of the innovative new things we're doing with the metadata API.